Okay guys, so I put a Z-pipe on the Stelvio Quadrifoglio. For me, it wasn't about performance. I wasn't looking for higher horsepower numbers. I really was just more so chasing a different sound. Honestly, stock, the car sounded really good. I was actually pretty surprised. But I wanted something a little louder. I honestly kind of missed the way my GLA sounded when I ripped through downtown and it was literally bouncing off of the buildings. I missed that. So I was chasing more sound like that. The car already sounded really good, stock, but I wanted more volume and I wanted a more refined, sort of higher pitched note. And so, as far as I know, I think I'm the only one that's actually put a Z-pipe on a Stelvio Quadrifoglio, and a lot of you guys have commented on like the short clips I posted on Instagram and YouTube, asking for more information about what a Z-pipe does exactly. And so this video is gonna kind of explain what a Z-pipe does. It's gonna show some examples of how it sounds, why I did it, and what my final thoughts are. So stick around, guys. CBS muffler shop. That's what they helped me with the valves opening on my GLA. And now I'm having the resonator. As you guys can hear, they're cutting it right now, so it's a little loud, but they're gonna go ahead and cut the resonator out, and then we're gonna install a Z-pipe. So we're really stoked. It should sound a lot better, a lot louder. That's so sick, man. So real quick, if you guys don't know what a Z-pipe is and how it functions and what the difference is from an H-pipe or an X-pipe or just straight piping, I'm gonna quickly explain to you guys. So it's a crossover, and this is why the tone changes, by the way. Crossover ties both sides of the exhaust together. Each bank fires in lumpy, uneven pulses on its own. Linking them blends those pulses into one smooth train. That blending cancels some frequencies and it boosts others. So the result is the tone changes. It becomes higher pitched and more exotic. The Z is just the bend shape. So the blending is what changes the sound. It's the perfect balance. So I'm really stoked, guys, because honestly, this achieved exactly what I wanted. It's a lot higher pitched. It doesn't really sound like an SUV anymore. Matter of fact, if you heard this thing ripping down the street and you couldn't see it, you would probably think it's some sort of exotic car. And that's literally exactly what I was trying to achieve with the Z-pipe. So the question is, was it worth it? Absolutely. To me, it just sounds right. Like, honestly, this thing should have come like this. It's so engaging, it's so loud, it sounds so refined. And I mean, you guys can literally judge from the reactions from my friends that this thing sounds insane.
Oh my goodness, dude. Woo! It's so loud, it's like ear piercing. The side of my head's like vibrating. No way.
Actually, I'm gonna...
Yeah. Crap, dude. That's insane. Bro, it pulls so hard.
And that was only in dynamic. Sorry for just jumping in here.
It pulls so good. Is it gosh, dude. Is it turbo?
Twin turbo V6.
And the seats like the monsters. Where'd you get the exhaust from?
Stock exhaust.
No, it's not.
I have a Z-pipe on it as well. Stock exhaust.
No way.
It's so much fun though, dude.
Yeah,
Yep.
That's really cool.
That's not.
That was really cool. I think I like want this car when I grow up. This is sick.
I love
That's so cool.
this. I love how it pops. It's crazy how fast it can accelerate.
Oh, you haven't. I'm not going to show you guys how fast it accelerates because
Yeah.
I've
not
seen
trying
it
to-
on your video. Oh,
that's
what?
all we're going to do.
That's
What?
crazy.
That was only a little one.
Little pro tip, by the way, this is not related to the Z-pipe, but in these cars, when you downshift, if you hold the gas down very slightly, it makes a nice pop every time it downshifts. Like this. I just can't get over it, how happy I am with how the Z-pipe sounds. It sounds so high-pitched. Honestly, if you guys are on the fence about a Z-pipe on your Stelvio QV, like, let this be the decision maker for you. And I'd also love to hear from you guys in the comments. So comment below what you guys think, and if you're going to do the same thing to yours.